Welcome to the Garden Zone. You found the perfect little sunny spot to grow some plants, but you don't want to dig up the ground there. There must be other options, right? Or maybe you want to add a small cart of flowers or vegetables to your patio. How can you do it? Today, we're going to learn how to fill and prepare a raised garden bed so you can grow the tastiest veggies and herbs and prettiest flowers right in your own backyard, or even on your patio. First, what's a raised garden bed? It's like a big box for your plants, but it's up off the ground. This makes gardening easier because you don't have to bend over as much, and it helps your plants grow better. You can find raised beds made from lots of different things, like wood, metal, or plastic. You can even prepare your own with cinder blocks or concrete. Metal beds are super strong and last a long time. Some metal beds are made with something called galvanized steel. Galvanized means the metal is coated with zinc. Zinc is like a superhero shield that stops the metal from rusting. That means your metal bed can stay outside in the rain and sunshine for years and years without getting damaged. Plastic beds are lightweight and easy to move around. They're also sometimes less expensive. They're great if you want to try gardening without spending a lot of money. Just make sure you get a good quality plastic that won't break easily in the sun. Wood beds can also be lighter in weight, and many of them are on wheels, making them easy to move around. Make sure the wood has been treated, so it will withstand the heat of the sun and will not warp or erode as it encounters water. Metal. Super strong and long-lasting. Galvanized metal won't rust. Can get hot in the sun, so be careful. Plastic. Lightweight and easy to move. Usually less expensive. Might not last as long as metal. Wood versatile. Easily movable. Make sure it is treated and weather-resistant. Let's fill our bed. Now for the fun part. Filling the bed. You'll need cardboard. This goes on the bottom. It stops weeds from growing up from the ground. Branches and twigs. These go on top of the cardboard. They help with drainage and create air pockets. Compost. This is like superfood for your plants. It's made from broken down food scraps and leaves. Topsoil. This is the good stuff where your plants will grow their roots. Potting mix. This is a special soil that helps plants grow even better. Now, mix the compost, topsoil, and potting mix. You want it nice and fluffy. Planting time. Now you're ready to plant. You can grow anything you like. Tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, flowers, whatever makes you happy. Remember to water your plants regularly and give them lots of sunshine. I also talk to my plants, and I think it really makes a difference in their growth and productivity. Well, that's it. Follow the instructions, create your own raised bed, then get ready to watch your plants grow big and strong. Raised beds come in all colors, shapes, and sizes, so choose what fits your space and makes your vibe. Gardening is a fun way to connect with nature and grow your own food, so get out there and start planting. You can check the description for info on some of the most highly rated raised garden beds. Thanks for checking this out. Remember to like, share, follow, and subscribe. Check back often for more great tips and ideas.